Hey everyone, it's Wednesday and that means it's What's in the Box. This week we've got something special. We're going to talk about our upcoming classes for October and November. So behind me is one of these classes. This is called Hectic Eclectic and it's going to be taught by Julie. And as you can see, it's an awesome looking quilt and it's a nice big quilt as well. So you got nice big squares that can feature focal fabric and then lots of little ones to accent everything else. So that's our first one, and then let's hop over and see some others. So the next one I've got is the Quilt As You Go runner here. So this is a great quick day project where you're learning the Quilt As You Go process with Debbie, and it makes a great little runner. From there we hop to, got it down here. So this is the bento box. So this is another one of Julie's classes, and as you can see, a great little mishmash of fabrics going on here to make a great little pattern. From the bento box we go to this one behind me over here. So this one is called Strips of Tricks, and as you can see it makes strips of hearts. It's very cool and it comes with an awesome kit that has a whole bunch of other projects in there as well. So that's a few of our classes coming up, and there's a bunch more if you want to visit our website. You can book in online or contact the store and we can help you out there as well. And of course it's not What's in the Box without some new stuff. So have a look at what we've got here. Let's start off with this one on the top. So this is called Hummingbird Lane. So it's a beautiful range, and as you can imagine by the name, it's got lots of hummingbirds on it. So this is one of the panels that it features, and then it's got a main center panel as well and a whole bunch of coordinating fabric. So it's beautiful striking colors for spring, for anyone who loves florals, hummingbirds. It's just delightful, and a large quilt as well. So we've got that all kitted up, ready for you to rock and roll. Then we've got this pile of fabric here because it's almost that time of year. It's almost Halloween. And this one is called Spellcasters Garden. So you've got some beautiful paper cut trees, is what they call this pattern here, in the orange, the black and the green. Then we go to the main print. Let me unravel this. Move this out the way. Look at that. It's got a whole bunch of stuff on there, and we've got that in a few different colors as well. So you've got that on the green background or also on the cream background. And then you've got your pumpkins on the vine, which is on the orange and the charcoal. And then of course you can't have Halloween without some witches. So then you've got an awesome witch fabric here as well, which are doing all sorts of different things. So some beautiful new fabric. And then one last thing I wanted to show you. It is a type of needle. So you might not be able to see it, but we'll zoom in real good. So this is a Schmetz needle, and it's quick threading needles. So you can see on the picture they've actually got a hole in the side of the needle where you can thread your thread through and it won't come out while you're sewing. So for those of you who have an older style machine without a needle threader, this will be perfect for you if you have trouble threading that needle on your machine. So come on down, grab a packet, or you can order online as well. So that's a whole bunch of stuff this week, so make sure you book into the classes, check out our new stuff, and we'll see you next week. Bye everyone.